Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to save music on TikTok to your favorite list. So here I've already on TikTok, and let's say that I want to add a music to my favorite list. So I'm going to just find, for example, this one's right here. You can see, okay, so this one's right here. What you need to do is just click on the music and the video, and then after that you can see if you click on the music there is an option to add to your favorite. So just click on that options and it will automatically add it to your favorite list of music on TikTok. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.